Radiance is 9 years in existence at Cruiser RV. There's been multiple design changes over the years with the Radiance products. It's been a price point effective ultralight unit that developed into our Radiance Touring Edition, which more was a high-end version of the Radiance. And then we believe we see the best image at what it is today, which is a cost-effective, vast standard features into the product line and an amazing exterior as well as an awesome modern interior of the Radiance product.
Radiance is made for a wide variety of people, whether you're a couple, buying a unit, or if you're a family of multiple kids. It's for everybody.
Radiance is going to be absolutely packed with standard features. 2 are going to be new patents that we released this year with the full belly storage, as well as our king bed slide system.
On the inside, that makes it a little different for the Radiance is the blackout roller shades, solid surface countertops. We put woven in the slide, so it's a carpetless unit.
Asdale is going to be a standard, which is 50% lighter, noise resistant, as well as mildew resistant. 611 barrel roof, so big guy like me, you're going to have amazing ceiling heights, which is a big factor with the retail customers that have purchased a Radiance. Nice thing about Radiance is you're going to have oversized frames, which is going to be able to provide you amazing ground clearance. So if you're going off that beaten path a little bit, we're going to be able to provide that. Radiance product offers 11 floor plans ranging from basically 25 feet all the way to 36 feet, sleeping 2 to sleeping 10.
So it's a wide range. They're all half-ton towable. So whether you have a F-150 truck or a bigger SUV, you're going to be able to tow this. Although it's a lightweight, we're still not sacrificing our construction, so it's all strongly built. Our design specialist does a great job. She knows where the market's at, knows what she wants to kind of put into these units, and she puts it all together and it comes out great.
We really took a new approach with Radiance this last year and went very modern, and we're looking for that customer, that younger buyer maybe that's looking for a modern, clean look. As you'll see in the cabinets in Radiance, they have a nice modern stripe in them, and there's just some fun, high contrast elements throughout the unit that really bring an exciting look to it.
Exterior, clean, but really that sleek automotive look that we were kind of going for on the exterior. Very good contrast with black, whether it's on the front cap or the inside. The unit flows. I believe an RV's image needs to match the outside to the inside, so I think we've done a great job with it.
So a customer should feel very prideful in their unit. We take pride in it on our end, the way we build it, the value-added features that we give you.
This is built with quality, integrity, and then it's going to be able to stand the time with your investment.
So when you're taking it to a campground, you can feel the pride of, hey man, this is a well-built product and it meets all the needs for that end customer.